So app search in Outlook, how to remove it. So this is a bug which affected thousands of users across Outlook. And this is very annoying search box which just appears in your Outlook from nowhere. How to basically solve it? So unfortunately, if you just go through Microsoft Answers, there are literally like 100 posts right now. Everyone just asking for some kind of help with it, but it just doesn't help at all. There are a lot of these posts, so you just cannot waste your time and don't go to answers.microsoft.com to find an answer to that. But what I would just suggest you to do is that there is like a official response from Microsoft team. If you just go to support.microsoft.com, this page. So this is an official message by Microsoft team. This is not like there a support person or some support person from India, which will just forward you to some kind of support articles and all of that. And it's like an endless cycle, and you can spend like all day just going through the support articles. The bottom line, this is a bug and it's not described yet in the things. So what's happened? Basically, it's really is a bug. As you can see here, this is this app search a bar, and so that's just what happened. And after updating to version 24.02 build, Outlook now unexpectedly has an app search bar about the message list. Depending on how you have the reading pane set, this may crowd the search box, and this app search bar literally takes half of your screen. So seems that there are some workarounds, but the official position, as you can see from Microsoft, it's in workaround status, meaning they hope to fix it in update that will go public on February 13th. So what you can do, you can just wait for a few more days, and then there will be update in February 13th. Then just make sure to download new version of Outlook to update your Outlook to the latest version, and then it should fix the problem. Or maybe let's just say that it will be on 13th of February, maybe it will be later, we don't know. This is just what they write here on Microsoft page. So that's good news. They acknowledge that this is a bug. This is not some weird thingy with your laptop or your old Microsoft account, whatever. So this is just, there will be an update on February 13th or later, or so you can just wait. But if you just don't want to wait, and you just want to have some temporary workaround, if you need to work around the issue to be able to search, so you can just set the reading pane to the bottom by clicking view, reading pane, bottom, or to off. So that's just what you can do, temporarily, literally for 1 week, if it really annoys you. So you can just set the different location for your reading pane. Again, just you need to, in your Outlook, you need to click view, reading pane, and then just move it to bottom, or just try to turn it off. So try that out. So this is workaround 1. This is like an official workaround by Microsoft team. What you can try. If it doesn't suit you, obviously the next workaround is that you can just revert your Outlook installation to the previous version. So that seems to be more reliable workaround if it really annoys you. So you can just do that, but this is more technical and it requires you to know how to start command prompt, how to run command lines and all of that. So it seems a bit technical. In fact, it's not. So it's doable without some additional IT support. You can just do it yourself. Here is the detailed instruction. Here's what exactly you can do here. Just follow this. So again, exit all Office applications. Then on your window, select Start, type command in a search box, right-click Command Prompt or Command Exe, and then select Run as Administrator. This way, you will open your command prompt to execute different commands. And then the next thing that in this command prompt, you need just to copy these two command lines. And then you need to press enter after each command line. So the first command line is cd program files, common files, Microsoft shared, click to run. So just copy that. However, like, all right, so there is some like space between words, but yeah, basically you copy that. So what does it mean? cd in programming means that you just go to that directory. So it means that you will just go to directory, click to run. And then just after you copy that in your command prompt, just tap enter. And then you just copy that office to like whatever the second line here. Just copy that and then again type enter. So this command, as I understand, is just basically moves you to the previous version of of Outlook or Office M365. So it moves you to the previous build where you didn't have that annoying bug with the search app bar. And then you just need to wait some time, and then when the repair is done, basically you can just open Outlook and select File, Office Account, and then select Update Options and choose Disable Updates. So you can just do that. And why you need to do that? Because, you know, if you don't disable your updates, the next time you open your Outlook, it will again update to this buggy version, and all of the things will be it will become buggy again. So your point is just to move to the previous version and disable updates. And then basically what they recommend is just add an appointment on your calendar for after February 13th to check back to this topic to confirm the issue is fixed. If it is, re-enable updates by clicking File, Office Account, Update Options, Enable Updates. So then, what they recommend is just to wait February 13th and then just again go to this article. So you can find the URL of this article. I don't know, maybe it's just has this very long URL here or whatever. So maybe you can just search in Google or Bing this title, just search for exactly this title. And make sure to bookmark this article because this is the official article where you see the status is workaround still. So it's not fixed yet. It's still kind of in the process. But on February 13th, you can just set up a reminder and go exactly to this article. And then if you see the status is fixed, meaning that it was like kind of added to the update and update is released, you can just go enable updates and then Outlook will kind of automatically update. I don't know like how much time it will take for Outlook to update, but then it will just kind of update and then the issue should be gone. So there you have it, something like that, because there are literally right now like thousands of questions of this search bar. It's like super annoying. This is like some design bug. I don't know what happened with our developer team. Maybe there was some design issue or something like that, and they just pushed it. And I was just looking through all this community posts in Microsoft, and just don't waste your time there as of right now. I don't know, because there are all these like Indian support agents or this outsourced support agents from Microsoft, which will just direct you either to this support article or to something else, or they will just show you something which doesn't work or the issue, something like that. So at the moment that's just what it is. You can just follow these guides. If you found out something better or someone recommended you some better issue, maybe I don't know how else you can use Outlook to avoid this, feel free to comment it in comments, because this is one of the most annoying issues right now in Microsoft Office. Somehow people are really annoyed by this. So you either try this one of two workarounds or you just wait until February 13th. So you just decide. So yeah, hope at least some of it was helpful and you won't need to waste so much time on other support forums and all of that.